Valeria Leon joins us now live from Mexico City. Valeria, Mexico is the country actually with the highest mortality rate from COVID-19 in Latin America. What's been Mexico's response to this?
That's correct. Mexico leads in lethality in Latin America, a region that it's already considered the epicenter of this pandemic by the World Health Organization. This is because of the rapid expansion of cases here in the region. And Mexico reports the highest proportion, even higher than Brazil, that holds the second highest number of confirmed cases in the world. This is according to the Johns Hopkins University. And well, in response, the Undersecretary of Health, Hugo López-Gatell, explained that Mexico is overestimating mortality and also that the country doesn't count the mild cases of the disease. And well, Mexico has over 8,000 confirmed cases of COVID-19 and also 7,000 registered deaths. But health authorities have acknowledged that the true death toll is higher, but it's also difficult to estimate due to a low testing rate. But there's a Reuters review data that shows that the mortality rate is at least 2.5 times higher than the government's tally. But despite this situation, Mexico has started its reopening plan with what they call the 4-coding color system that let people know what activities are allowed. And well, as the government goes on with this reopening plan, many people here in Mexico, they are worried because they say, well, due to a lack of testing, they can't really know. They're not sure how what the situation is.
It's a problem for so many countries, Valeria. In the lead up to this pandemic, there was so much activity and news about the border, particularly the Trump administration's policies on cracking down on immigration. Curious to know how all of this has been impacting the U.S.-Mexico border.
Well, Mexico and the U.S. announced in March the closing of the border. We're closing the border to non-essential business. Although commercial traffic, which is crucial to economy on both sides of the border, has continued on a large scale. And just last week, Mexico's National Guard began setting up checkpoints to question U.S. citizens. Officials check on people coming from the U.S. to Mexico, and they say, well, they are worried that visitors may feed like this spike in COVID-19 cases.
All right, Valeria Leon live from Mexico City. We really appreciate that update. Thanks for that. Taking you